Hello and welcome back to Phuket International Airport. Last time we flown from this airport is to Bangkok on a Thai Airways Airbus A320. But today I've got something a little different to catch up. Today we're flying Firefly, which is a Malaysian regional and low-cost carrier. Operates a wholly owned subsidiary of the Malaysian Aviation Group. We're gonna fly to the Malaysian island of Penang, known for its amazing food and stuff, and the Yap Temple, oh yes. Anyways, I'm checked in and we can take a look at the operations at the airport. Take a look at these Qatar Boeing 777-300ERs. Here's a Thai A320, probably going to Bangkok. Here's a Bangkok Airways Airbus, not sure which to be honest. Here's an Aeroflot Airbus A330-300 from Russia land. Also from Russia land, this is an Asia Air Boeing 767. For some reason, this Thai Lion Air Boeing 737 is at the international terminal. Here's another angle of the Qatar Boeing 777-300ER. I'll just let you guys relax with some plane stuff. Enjoy! Here's a Scat Boeing 737 MAX 9. This is also a MAX, but it's a MAX 8 from Singapore Airlines. This is a Turkish Airlines Airbus A330-300. Take a look at downstairs, we can see the passengers deboarding from the Turkish Airlines plane. This is a China Southern A320-200. We need to take a bus, cause I don't know, but usually Firefly flights, you need to take a bus, and I was actually one of the first person to board the bus. Oh look, a Nokia Boeing 737. And a Thai A320 in the current color scheme instead of the Thai Smile one. And here's our aircraft, a 14.5-year-old Boeing 737-800, which is the 9 Mike Lima Hotel, which as of writing the script is actually stored. I hope that's not my fault. What the? Anyways, here's the cabin of the aircraft. Let's take a seat. It's time for some checking. This is a huge improvement from the Thai Airbus A320 in terms of legroom. You can clearly see the improvement. This legroom is really generous. Now to the books and stuff. Here's the Firefly air sickness bag, a shopping merchandise cart, and a magazine from the MAG group which is named Going Places. Here's a table with a cup holder. Here's a safety card. A phone holder with 2 charging ports including USB-A and USB-C. And I just found out about the entire fleet of the MAG group. Malaysia Airlines has just taken livery of a few A330-900s and it's listed here. As you can see, we're flying on a Firefly 737. Take a look at the merchandise card now. They sell a plastic 1:130 scale Firefly 737 model, which costs around 34 USD. Do you think this is worth it? The seats have the MAG branding on an orange-grey seat, which I think looks nice. Now let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. We're finally pushing back. And we're taxiing. Remember those plane spotting videos I did? Yeah, most of the videos I shot were shot there in that little cafe next to the road. Which is, you know, close to the taxiway, so you can get like really close view of the planes. I'm actually quite honored now because I'm basically in the opposite side where I usually will be in. Look at those people. Now let's watch and hear those CFM 56 roars. Here we go. Food is now served. There's a chocolate chip cookies, some peanuts, and a bottle of water. The cookies are actually quite delicious to my surprise. Actually quite enjoy these. The nuts are also great. You know, this is a great time to watch some quality itsKorn videos on the go. Oh yeah, and drink that bottle of water too. Stay hydrated, y'all. We're flying in the clouds. These amazing views are awesome. Penang is close to Phuket. After all, it's just an hour hop. So we're actually approaching Penang and fast. You can see those ships and the ocean is fast approaching us. Let's see and hear if this landing is truly butter or not. Well, I guess this landing is hard. My phone was shaking like a blender or something. But to be honest, I enjoyed that. This entire flight is a unique experience, to me at least.
On behalf of Firefly, Captain Amira and the rest of the crew, we thank you for choosing Firefly and we hope to see you again. Ladies and gentlemen, parents and guardians.
This airline is one of the few low-cost carriers in Southeast Asia where they serve food and operate to and from Phuket. Quite an enjoyable flight. So welcome to Penang in Malaysia. Thank you for coming along with us together in this journey by watching this trip report. And well, I have nothing to say. Thank you guys for watching. This is itsKorn, and as always, I will see you in the next one.